Birdie brought in 2 rings that she wanted combined into one. She fell in love with this beautiful ring that was in our showcase, so we're going to try to make it for her with her diamonds. This is just a quick sketch that we made for her at the counter. Step 1 is to set all the diamonds into 14 karat white gold settings so we can see how this will look actual size. Custom jewelry is my favorite part of the job. Using diamonds that have a lot of meaning to you, we make one-of-a-kind jewelry that gives us a sense of great satisfaction and purpose. This tool has a razor-sharp edge between the black section and the red section, so that it's actually boring out the wax to the correct finger size. As you can see, we've made a grid to ensure that the next steps are done evenly and precise. The tools we use are all specially made so they don't get all gunked up. Now we're heating the diamonds ever so slightly so that they stay in place on the wax. Then we can finish carving the top. We make the ring in wax for the lost wax casting process. This means that when we're finished carving the wax, we'll surround it with plaster of Paris. After that hardens, we'll put it in an oven to burn out the wax. This leaves an empty cavity into which we'll pour liquefied gold and produce a replica of what we originally made in wax. Pouring the gold is a little dangerous. We hold a saw in one hand to prevent the gold from overshooting the plaster. Then we grab the crucible, which is about 1700 degrees, and pour the gold into the opening. This is what the raw casting actually looked like. Can you believe that's 14 karat gold? It'll take hours of work to make it look like an actual piece of jewelry. Here we're using one of my favorite tools. It's called the laser welder. By pressing a foot pedal, we send a beam of intense heat that actually melts the metals together. Isn't it incredible? We coat the gold with a special mixture of boric acid and alcohol so it doesn't turn pink while soldering. I'm just glad I get to set things on fire. The final step for white gold jewelry is to plate it with rhodium. Why do we plate it? Well, white gold starts out as 24 karat yellow gold, so it's still a little yellowish. Rhodium gives it a true white color. And now my favorite part. Drum roll, please. One-of-a-kind custom jewelry and another happy customer at Golden Art Jewelers.